How to look at calculator history on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. In order to look at calculator history on Android device, first of all make sure you already have calculator applications. If you don't have any, you can easily install one of them and use it, and there you will get the calculator history. So first of all, you have to launch calculator application on your device. Suppose for the demo purpose, let's calculate any number and you get the answer as well. To watch this history, select the three dots at top right corner of this calculator application and you will certainly get two options, history and settings. Select history and here you will easily find all your calculator histories. You can scroll down and find out any one if you would like to. In order to delete this calculator history, you can tap on the dust icon at top right corner and then tap delete all. All history will be permanently deleted from this device and then the new of the history will be added once you have started calculating any numbers. So that is how we look at calculator history on Android devices. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.